Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a user of Monarch Money, the popular app for tracking your finances, you might need to export your data for backups, tax purposes, or even to switch to another tool. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's easier than you think, and by the end, you'll feel confident handling your financial data. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monarch Money account on your device. Whether you're on the mobile app or the web version, start by opening the app and navigating to the main dashboard. Next, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap or click on that to enter the settings menu. Once there, scroll down until you find the Data Management or Export Data section. This is where the magic happens. Now, select what data you want to export. Monarch Money lets you choose specific items like transactions, budgets, accounts, or even your entire financial history. Pick the options that suit your needs to keep things efficient. After that, choose your export format. Common choices include CSV for spreadsheets, PDF for reports, or even direct integration with other apps. If you're unsure, go with CSV. It's versatile and easy to work with. Hit the Export button, and the app will generate your file. You'll be prompted to save it to your device, cloud storage like Google Drive, or email it to yourself. Don't forget to name the file clearly, like monarch_data_export_2023 feet to stay organized. Once it's done, double-check the exported file to ensure everything exported correctly. Open it in a program like Excel to verify your data is intact. And there you have it. That's how you export your Monarch Money data in just a few simple steps. This process not only helps with data security but also gives you more flexibility in managing your finances. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. See you next time.